Hello everyone, Barry Anderson here from Trade Ideas with, well, not really a stock of the day, but you know what? If you're in the trading room a lot, you know I talk about my moving higher with unusually strong options. I'll call this the scan of the day, the scan of the week, the scan of the month, the scan of the year. You know, this gives some really, really good looks all day long, and you don't get too many. Now, what I forgot to do, just let me get my chart up and running. What I forgot to do was get a chart up, so just give me a moment here. But let me just show you some of the alerts that we got from it today as an example, okay? Just have to get the properties, get the symbol linking going. Okay, so the first one we had was ADTX, okay? ADTX, there was the alert, okay? It was actually at, right there, 324 at 943, okay? Now it's been choppy. Don't get me wrong, you've got to trade these. You know, these are not necessarily just going to go straight up all day long. But as I was saying in the room just before I started this video, you know, if this can take out that high right there, I mean, it's got a ton of room, you know, on the daily chart. So, you know, there was that one. The V-Ray at 538. It wasn't unbelievably good, because you might be looking, well, why? Look at this, it really dropped. But if you look at the daily chart, and this is what I say all the time to people, is when you look at the daily chart, I was saying, well, look, there's the next high looking left, and that's almost where it got to. So that is where I was anticipating it might stall. So, you know, I took this trade knowing that it might stall right there. Now, it could have got through there, of course, but in this particular case, it did not. Let me get back to my 15-minute time frame. There we go. KRG is another one. Now this is what I call a more maybe relaxing type of a trade. It's not a super low float. The alert was at $20.30. Okay, $20.30 at 11:15. You know, it's at 20.42 now. This one was following with TCAT. If you're familiar with the non-fungibles, the NFTs, you know, you had to have a TCAT chart up running at the same time. I mean, you know, the alert was at 12:35. It got up to 12:75 before it really dropped along with TCAT. CNET was one that I said, you know what, I don't like it. It may work later on, but again, if I pulled out a daily chart, you would see all sorts of resistance right up in this area around the 180 mark. So I didn't like it. And then GGAL just, let's see, just got an alert just before I started this video. Have no idea what it's doing. Yeah, I mean, it could be good later on. But again, if you want that scan, all you have to do is go to my homepage in the link you're getting and go to the layout section, scan section, and it's called Unusually Strong Options Volume. I don't think, you know, and it's been working so well for me for months now. So, you know, it won't give you too many alerts, but it gives you fewer stocks to concentrate on all day long. All right, guys, that's it. We still have our promo on, 25% off, either the first month only or the entire year of a Trade Ideas subscription. So I believe that expires at 11:59 p.m. Sunday night, Eastern time, okay? I'll open the room tomorrow at 9 a.m. Eastern time. Hope to see you in the trading room tomorrow. Bye-bye.